Ciao, buongiorno. I'm Richard Hershin, the corporate chef here at Mooney Farms, home of Bella Sun Luci sun-dried tomatoes. And today we're going to honorably mention our chef of the month, Julie Love, and her wonderful recipe for sun-dried tomato, pimento cheese, and bacon stack on ciabatta bread. Today we're going to do a few things different from the recipe. We've cut the bread basically how she asked, thin, and I'm going to imagine that's for the texture that it'll have after it gets crisped up in the preheated 500-degree oven. So now we're going to drizzle some Bella Sun Luci Arbequina extra virgin olive oil, grown here on our estate. And I like to be liberal about it. I like to use parchment paper on the sheet pan. That way it doesn't stick and it's easy to clean. Love that. So here we go into the 500-degree oven. And now we're going to slice the jalapeno. The heat is not in the seeds of the jalapeno unless it's old and the juices have released into the seeds. Really, in a fresh jalapeno, fresh chili pepper of any kind, the heat is in the membrane of the jalapeno, and that's often why us chefs cut the membrane out. It's both texture that we want to get rid of and the heat, the extra heat that we want to get rid of. So I'm going to slice this into 4 the long way, and it's going to be easy for me to run my knife along the jalapeno where the membrane meets it and cut the membrane out. And then that almost cuts the seeds out as well. And there we go. Seeds and membrane gone. Not so spicy. Some of us like really spicy and some of us don't. When we cook for everybody. So I don't like to make things super spicy unless people are going to already know that they are and it's on the menu. Okay, so we're going to add the cheddar to the jalapenos that I earlier chopped. So here we go with the sun-dried tomatoes. Always a wonderful thing to add to any dish. Artichokes. And the pimentos, of course. And this recipe calls for mayonnaise. And we are now going to stir it up and get it warm. Okay, now to get ready for our mise en place, which means to put it in place in French, but really what it means is your setup. So if you notice, we have all these little bowls throughout our cooking process. Bowl with the bacon, bowl with the gooey pimento dip. Okay, now we're going to rub the garlic on the bread. This is classic Italian. Julie Love, chef. I'm so glad you told me to do this. Fettunta. Everybody repeat after me. Say fettunta. This is toasted bread with fresh olive oil rubbed with a garlic clove. I want you to try this at home. It is the best garlic bread you ever had. Ready to assemble, as we say in the business, from our mise en place. Here we go. We're going to do what Chef Julie says. This is a wonderful appetizer and a real crowd pleaser. So first we're going to put the pimento spread onto the bread. And then we are going to add a piece of bacon and some arugula. And this arugula is really good. I tried some and it's spicy and sharp, which I love. And a couple pieces of sun-dried tomato on top for garnish. And there we have Julie Love's pimento cheese with sun-dried tomatoes, arugula, and bacon stack on ciabatta bread. And there you have it. Nice job, Julie. Everyone, please submit your recipe on bellasunluci.com. Our recipe contest deadline is July 1st. We would love to see your creativity using sun-dried tomatoes. And until we meet again, arrivederci and buonanotte. Ciao.